So guys, I wanted to kind of do a little story time about doing demos for customers. You know, we get calls and we run out and we talk to customers and we get to show them, you know, the greatness of Spacekap. One of my favorite things to do is you know, wherever I'm traveling or whatever town, I like to go on my Facebook page, and I'm friends with a lot of plumbing groups, HVAC groups, and I'll post on there. I'll be at Home Depot from 10 to 2 this Saturday, you know, showing my Diablo and Wild demos. And it's kind of cool because, you know, these guys are hardworking guys and they're working during the week. But the weekends, you know, they have the time to come see you. And you don't know if anybody will come. You know that people are going to come buy stuff at Home Depot, but you don't know if anybody's going to just show up. And so, cool story. So I did that one Saturday at Home Depot, and I'm showing some people. A couple guys come in, and you know, nothing big. And this guy pulls up, and I'm in Dallas, and beautiful Diablo plumbing, totally outfitted, you know, wrapped, and you know, he gets out, and he came because, you know, he wanted to be part of the demo. He wanted to tell people why he loved it so much. And I'm kind of just floored and, you know, tearing up in my own little way going,
That's fantastic. Yeah.
And so he pulls up, and these people that are with, they're like, wow, there's a real live demo, you know, a plumber. So when that kind of thing happens, you kind of just step back and you let everybody look into his setup, and they start talking. And, you know, it makes me emotional because I think it's just so cool, you know, to see the love and of the product that they own. It's not just another work van or work truck to them. It's something they really take pride in.
Yeah.
They're just so proud of that product, you know, and maybe it's because it's just not everywhere yet. So they kind of think that, you know, listen, I got something nobody else has, and this is cool, but I want everybody to know about it. I don't want to keep it a secret.
To learn to appreciate it.
Yeah,
That's
so it's a
really
lot
cool.
of fun, and I try to do that no matter where I'm traveling. Have a live demo set up somewhere, and it's so much fun.
Yeah.
You know.
Beautiful.